you want to get your products on TikTok Shop and you don't want to have to list them all individually, this is exactly what I did to quickly get them up. So I downloaded a Shopify app called Aftership Feed for TikTok, and this is roughly what it looks like. And what you can do with this app is in category mapping, you basically choose a category, a shop category on your website, and then you select your products that go into that category, and then you can select a shipping rule. The way TikTok works is when you get a sale, it quickly figures out how much it's going to cost to post that product. And so with category mapping, you can set one size across all of your products so that you don't have to do every product's individual size. So once you've done that, all of your products will appear in the list, and then you have to go to product syncing. There's just a little button here and you just click sync, for example, like that. I didn't want to do that for these products because they're larger and they need a different shipping rule. And some products fail to sync. And the reason why that happens, so basically if I click here, I can select all of the products that are on this page. There's 63 products on this page and there's 7 pages. So I have to do them individually, the pages. But if I sync all of these, I probably won't be able to sync the products on the next page. Basically, TikTok will only allow you to upload around 50 to 100 products per day, especially if you're new to TikTok. So there is a limit on how much you can actually list on there. But once you've done that, what actually happens is it will say active, and then your products will actually appear on your TikTok shop section. So these are all the products that are synced through this app. Because this app, I think it's like £20 a month or something like that. I'm not sure. But I've got a free trial for 14 days, and I thought I could synchronize the products with the app, get them onto the TikTok shop. Then I don't have to manually list each one. So once they're uploaded, I thought I could download all of the products from the catalog via a spreadsheet and then put them back up. So right now I'm on the Seller Center for TikTok. And if you go to products and you go to batch tool, what you can do is bulk edit products. So you can select all information and you can select all of the products from every page, 50 at a time. And when you do that, you click select checked, and then you can click generate template. And what this will do is it will send you a template down here. So this is one that I just done, and it says here downloaded, because I downloaded it already. It's got 240 products and it's got all product information. So that is on my downloads here, and that's what it looks like. I could probably delete the Aftership app now and then click upload. Click here, select all of these and upload. Just speaking to Aftership at the moment, they said it will not delete the products in TikTok. That's cool. I don't really have to do this whole spreadsheet thing, but I think it's good to have that just in case. You want to save those products to make sure that they stay up. You don't want to have to lose them. Now what I'm actually going to do, and I'm just going to test this theory, but if I go to apps and I go onto my sales apps, going to delete this because I don't want to pay for it. And I'll quickly find out as well how much it actually costs. Aftership feed, here you go, feed for TikTok shop. So it says free plan available, charges may apply, and the app costs $18 a month. So that's amazing. Obviously, the app isn't actually for the purpose that I used it for. The app is actually to synchronize your stock inventory across your Shopify website and TikTok so that when you get a sale on TikTok, it updates it on your website. But that's not what I wanted it for. I wanted it so that I could automatically synchronize all of the products from our Shopify website to TikTok without having to individually manually upload everything. I've just deleted the app, and now let's just quickly check. So I'm going to go on to manage products, which is here. Yep, so they was right. As you can see, they're all still on here, which is amazing because I didn't have to list any of these products. They're all just on there. The price is right. The size is right. They've all got descriptions. They've all got the images. Didn't have to do any of it. Amazing. And if there is any problem with TikTok, I also have this template so that I can instantly upload all of the products. And then when I list new products, I will make sure as well that I get the batch tool spreadsheet file. Anyway, if you want to list your products to TikTok, this is exactly how I'd recommend you do it. If you don't want to use Aftership feed for TikTok, you can use a different app. So I'm on products, batch tool, and if you click here, sync products from other platforms, this will tell you other ways that you can automatically synchronize products from your Shopify website to TikTok. So the Aftership feed, that's how I found it. But there is other ones, and I don't know if these other ones, if you delete them after you've used a free trial, they might delete your TikTok products. So just make sure you download that spreadsheet as a just-in-case measure. And it's amazing. It's amazing how far technology's come, because you don't actually have to manually upload things anymore. You can just do it automatic. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, you will really like this video on screen now.